Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons. I'd like to draw a character for you here, a fairy. I think they're a lot of fun doing enchanted magical fairies. I did a book on it called Doodletopia Fairies. A lot of my regular readers have it, and I thank you for that. So let's start by putting in a big, exaggerated head shape. Okay, so it's kind of like an egg but pointed on one side. So it's really wide here. And why is that? Because you want to put big eyes in. You can't do that unless you have a big forehead. All right, that looks pretty good. Keep it sketchy. Here is a center line from the center of the forehead all the way down. And here is the chin. So we're going to come under the chin and leave it out like this. In other words, I have the chin coming out a little past the neck. I think that's a good look. We'll bring the eyes a little far down this. Sweeping line here, sweeping guideline. Now let's bring those eyes up. If you notice, they're kind of rising on the side like this. That's a nice look for an enchanted character. You see that in many, many places. Now let's raise the eyebrows. Sort of a bewildered but charming look. Okay, let's draw those a little more thickly and thick with the upper eyelids, like this. Good. Now let's bring some eyelashes cascading off the top. Is that a nice look, isn't that? A little bridge of the nose goes to the eyebrow like that. A little bridge of the nose comes out far because fairies have those pointed up noses, like that. Now, what's with this? We have to fill it out now. We started with a regular template, but we have to adjust it. So let's bring this in near the eye, out near the cheek, and back now near the chin. See how that works? You don't have to start exactly the way you'll end. Matter of fact, it's not always the best idea. Just give yourself a template and know that you're going to adjust it based on the type of character you have. So, little lips, like this. And now I'm looking, I'm saying, I think that chin should be a little bit bigger. Well, fine. Let's do it. A little bit subtle, but tell me what you think. Does it work? Yeah, I think that's better. Little changes all along the way. You're not stuck with your first choice. I've seen a lot of people when they first start to draw their figure, if they draw it and they erase it, it means that they made a mistake. And that's not exactly what it means. What it means is you see another choice and you like it and you're going to do it. A little smile here, like that. Now with such big eyes, you have to have some eyelids. If you don't have eyelids, it's going to look flat. And you have too much eye to allow it to look flat. So we're adding just a touch, okay? A little darker here. And how about a little shadow under the jaw and chin? Yeah, that's good. Gives it a little feeling of solidity. Now, do not be stingy with that ear. That's the whole deal right there. That's a fairy. Now I'm going to make her hair come out like this in little shafts. Like that. And over this, first of all, I'm going to erase a little bit of the head, the construction of the head, and put that conical cone cap on. See that? Okay, now that we have this where we want it, and if you don't have it where you want it, just try again. There's nothing wrong with trying again. And I really do mean that. You ever see those great concept sketches from concept artists? They are trying this and they're trying that. So don't you think that you have to be under any pressure to get it all right the first time. How about a little stitching I don't know why fairies just can't seem to get the stitching right the first time. But we'll help them out. All right, so here's the shoulder. A little color. A little bit of shadow right here. And there is your fairy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and I will see you hopefully next time. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.